hope you're doing well today. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today for, I guess we call it supper here, dinner, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to make, I think I'm going to make a spicy chicken soup. I'm not sure if I'm going to put noodles or rice or anything. I want it to be very meaty. We've been trying to eat a lot of chicken breast, and I'm sure you can tell by my videos that I use a lot of chicken breast, not chicken thighs. But I have my chicken breast seasoned for like 2 days. I bought them organic. And I find that they just taste so much better like that. But I'm going to use the Instant Pot, so it should go pretty fast. And I figure when you film these kind of videos, anyone can adapt to their taste. I have some squash, but I'm not going to put that in there because I don't think Ella likes it. But I am going to use the air fryer one day on the video. I think I might try to air fry that squash. Anyway, if you don't like these videos, just let me know. It won't hurt my feelings. But I thought I'd bring you along, and it's fun to talk to you guys. And I miss you, and I'd like to make more videos. So let's get started cooking. This is kind of awkward because I'm holding the tripod and I'm not very good at it, but I'm learning. But these are some ingredients I need to use. I was going to make a spaghetti, but I'm going to do that later. I bought some more chicken breast today. But I needed to use some carrots and I got a poblano pepper in here. These onions I chopped a couple days ago. And I have a whole jalapeno here, and I didn't de-seed it, so I probably won't put it all. But and I chopped a big bunch of celery the other day. And I might dehydrate it, but I haven't yet because I'm lazy, I guess. It takes too long. I'm impatient. And here's my garlic, of course. And here's I'm trying to make it a small. I want it really meaty, but kind of small. But see how the chicken's seasoned? You can see it close up. Let me get a close up. I have a little Cajun seasoning on there, and I put a tiny bit of oregano because I thought I might make spaghetti, but it'll be good. So I'm going to put the Instant Pot on. Let me see if you can see this. We're going to do saute, and I have it on the high button because I like it to get very hot. I'm going to brown a little bit first. I think it gives it more flavor, and I'll bring you back when the Instant Pot gets hot yet, but I'm not even sure if Vine does that. I got the one that doesn't have the yogurt setting. I really wanted the one with the yogurt setting, but I'm going to go ahead and throw my chicken in here. These are 2 organic chicken breasts, and it's not that much, so I'm going to try to make it kind of small, this soup. I may add some pasta, and I chop my vegetables up very small. So, you know, I find that kids eat vegetables when they're chopped up smaller. Well, and I can't say it for all kids, but I can say Ella. If I chop it up really small, she kind of doesn't even notice it. So, it's probably going to cook really quickly and be a little mushy, but that's okay because it's going to be healthy, I think. I like chicken thighs, but I only like them certain ways. But, you know, like I said, if you guys don't, let me know if you like the cook. I have another cook with me video that I did not post because I talk so much in it. I don't know if you can even load it. It's so long. I got let me put a little bit more olive oil in here because I like a lot. Not a lot, you know what I mean. I like it to not stick. And I have coconut oil, but I chose olive oil. It's like, I don't know, one day it's coconut oil is the best, and the next day olive oil, extra virgin olive oil is the best. I get confused. I just use whatever I feel like, you know. So let's cook these a little bit. And, you know, you don't have to. You could just dump it all in the pot and call it a day and just turn it on. But I'm thinking about using, let's see, I have all kind of pasta. I also have some rice. But I was thinking about using some of these, you know, just elbow macaroni, and just putting a handful in, not too much, because I'm not putting potatoes, so I figure a little pasta won't hurt. And the chicken, it just, I don't know, I just like it so much better when I have it seasoned for a couple of days. It just, to me, it needs it. But that's just my opinion. Let's go ahead and throw everything in. Let's throw the onions in. This is a whole red onion, I think. Yeah, and you know that I love red onion and yellow, but I just have this one chopped, so we're going to use it. And Ella loves onions, so I'll put it all. I want to ask you guys a question. Do you eat crackers with your soup, or do you eat bread? I like crackers with my soup. And I have 2 chicken stocks. I still haven't made a video of my chicken stock, but I have the chicken in the freezer. I just haven't done it yet. It's been so hot. It's still hot. But I have this one's unsalted. And when I make soup, I kind of like to use the salted. This is my favorite brand, Kitchen Basics. And I have this left over from that meatball soup, guys. I don't know if you watched that video with the meatball with the rice in it. That was so good. I told my husband that we would freeze some for him and save them, but we ate them. Ella ate them all. Ella ate all the meatballs. So I have to make it again. It was so delicious. And I just kind of just put whatever I felt like putting. But I don't think I'm going to add the whole jalapeno. So anyway, I'm talking too much. I'll bring you back a handful of celery. Look how good I chopped this up. I was patient that day. I'm gonna put quite a bit of that because that goes good in soup. And celery's pretty cheap. And I do like having it dehydrated, I think, better than frozen. I'm still waiting, and I just added more liquid, but I'm gonna put the celery back in the freezer. So let me cook it a little bit longer, and I don't really have to brown the chicken. It's gonna probably break into smaller pieces, which is fine. I kind of like that kind of soup. Like this is the first time I've ever tried it like this, where I cut the chicken breast up so small. Let's add a little garlic. I didn't put any. Well, I think that Cajun season has a little garlic, but I actually need to use this garlic. I'm gonna cook another recipe. Oh, and I showed you that haul about the Raging Cajun stuff a while back, and I put my husband. I don't care for the black beans in the can. But we made Cajun black beans is what they're called. And we put sausage and tasso. It was so good. Let's add, I don't want to hurt her. Let's just add half the jalapeno. She likes spicy. Okay, and now I'm gonna add the rest of this salsa because I need to use it, and it's really good. And it's okay to have a little red in your soup. You know what? We're gonna have to rinse this out. Maybe not. That's good. Okay, now I have the unsalted open already, so we have to use this one first. And I'm going to add a little bit more salt and pepper too to this. And remember, this is unsalted, so, and this is the one that I have to use first because it's open in my refrigerator. Let's just add all of that. Like I said, I want it pretty meaty. And let's add a little salt. This is kosher salt. I like salt. I'm not supposed to have a lot, but, and I love black pepper. So, and the meat was already seasoned with the Cajun seasoning. I'm not going to put any more of that on there, but I am going to add a little bit of thyme. I think that's one of my favorite ingredients in soup. And my plant died, so I have to use this ground thyme. I just put like you know, probably about 1/4 of a teaspoon. It just adds a lot of flavor. Let's add a little onion powder. It's so good. And let me see if I can find my roasted garlic powder. Every time I go to Kroger, they're out. I love this stuff. This one, if you ever can find it, get it. It's really good. And I'm going to add a little parsley at the end, I think. Let's add a little bit more chicken stock, because I'm going to add a little bit of pasta. And this one is salted, so that'll be just right. And this is a recipe you can just kind of use up what's in your refrigerator, you know. I better measure this. Let's see. Let me get a measuring cup. I think I'm going to put well, I'm going to have to just go with it. You just put what you want. This is 1/4 of a cup. So let's put 1/2 cup. So that's a 1/2 cup. Let's give it a little stir. It's going to cook so fast, too. This might be spicy. That sauce is not very spicy, though. Oh, my garlic. I need to close this. Okay, let's close the lid. And it's on sealing already, I think. I need my glasses. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's turn this off. Now, this is like my first time making this, so let's do manual. Or you can press soup. Let's press soup. It says 20 minutes. We're going to go down to 12 minutes. And that should be perfect. And I don't mind my pasta a little soft. You know, it's up to you how long you want to cook it. You could put the pasta separate. You could cook it separately. But I'm going to try like this, and we'll give it a taste test when it's done. Ella should be home, and I hope she likes it. I wanted to say, you know, I could have done this in 5 minutes. So you don't have to follow my instructions exactly. I kind of want it, the chicken to break apart, and I kind of want it to be, I don't know how to explain what I want, but I'll show you. And anyway, I just wanted to tell you, I might have gone too long, but we'll see. And I'm trying to think of what to make next in the next video. I don't know if I want something sweet, or we've been trying to eat a little healthier, so I eat a lot of chicken breast. We eat a lot of lean ground beef. That crawfish bread, I'm sorry I didn't taste it. All of a sudden, I got so nauseous that I couldn't even totally smell it. I don't know what happened, but Ella's friend took it home. It was so good, and it just was so pretty. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you that, and it's on, so we'll see. I want to take this to school. I am like out of ideas for school lunches. She has a thermos, so if she likes this, she can take it to school. So it's a good. She has a good thermos to keep it hot. So anyway, I hope it turns out well. I'm really hungry for chicken soup. I was gonna make a chicken gumbo in here. That's my next project, a chicken gumbo. I want toss those sausage chicken, and I want to try it in the Instant Pot. And if you want to see that, let me know, because I was gonna put a little roux in here, and make it like a chicken gumbo soup, and call it chicken gumbo soup. But I figured nobody would watch that. Anyway, I'm sorry I'm talking so much today. It's just been a while. I've been kind of quiet lately. I apologize. I'm trying to get back to normal, but it'll happen. Hey, I had to go get Ella from school, but it's I think it's, oh, no, I thought it was ready. Let me lift it out. I'll be back. I think it's ready. I probably overcooked it a little bit, but you know, it's okay. But I did want it to be meaty. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks great. See how the carrots are small, and that little tiny bit of salsa help. Let's put a little parsley in there for a little color. I have some green onions, but I think I'm just going to stick with parsley today. And I'll tell you what, homemade chicken soup, any kind, makes you feel better. Just like I said, the beans make me feel better, so does the soup. Even though it's really hot outside here, I just wanted to make a soup today. Something light, but I like it. So I'm going to taste test it, and I'm waiting for Ella to change clothes, and we'll be back. Here's the soup. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I added salt and some Cajun seasoning to mine. And then, like I said, the noodles can cook in 5 minutes, but I like them like this. This is like a little spicy, and it's something, it's just light, and the chicken, even it's chicken breast, when you cook it in the Instant Pot, it doesn't dry out. It stays moist, and it's very tender. You can just cut it with the spoon. So let's taste it. And we like to eat crackers with our soup. And I like the carrots this small. Let me see. It's pretty hot. It's so comforting. And I can taste the flavor because I put the seasoning on the chicken like 2 days before. It's not flavorless. It's got good flavor. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, let me know if you like these cook with me videos, or if you want recipes all the time, because today was just to empty the refrigerator and throw everything in there that I needed to. But it turned out well, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe if you haven't. And anyway, thank you. Bye.